Kris Wu was sentenced to 13 years in prison for rape and assembling a crowd to engage in promiscuous activities.
Kris Wu formally arrested in Beijing on suspicion of rape in August last year. Today the Beijing Chaoyang Court publicly sentenced the defendant Wu in a rape and group sex case. He was sentenced to 13 years in prison for rape and assembling a crowd to engage in promiscuous activities. He will be deported after serving his sentence.
After the trial, it was found that from November to December 2020, the defendant, Wu, forcibly had sex with 3 women when they were drunk. In 2018, Wu, together with others, organized 2 other women to engage in promiscuous activities after drinking at his residence.
About Kris Wu, he is a former member of boy band EXO and its subgroup EXO-M under SM Entertainment. He was active as a solo artist and actor in mainland China. He made his Hollywood debut in 2017. In 2021, he was detained by Beijing police on rape allegations. 1 month later, the People's Procuratorate of Chaoyang District of Beijing approved his arrest on suspicion of rape. The Beijing court sentenced Wu to 13 years in prison on November 25, 2022.